What if I told you there are thousands of varieties of tomatoes grown around the world? Most people think a tomato is just a tomato. But walk through a farmer's market, and you'll find tiny sweet tomatoes, giant beefy tomatoes, striped tomatoes, yellow tomatoes, and even tomatoes that look almost black. And here's the surprising part. Different tomatoes are better for different foods. Some are perfect for salads. Some make incredible sauces. And one variety is considered the king of pizza sauce. Today, we're explaining the most popular types of tomatoes and what makes each one unique. Let's start with the most common. Globe tomatoes. These are the standard round tomatoes found in most grocery stores. They're medium-sized, versatile, and work well in sandwiches, salads, and everyday cooking. If someone simply says tomato, this is usually what they're talking about. Next up, cherry tomatoes. These tiny tomatoes are among the sweetest varieties available. They're small, juicy, and perfect for salads, snacks, and roasting. Because of their natural sweetness, many people eat them straight from the container. Now let's talk about grape tomatoes. They look similar to cherry tomatoes but have a slightly oval shape. Grape tomatoes are firmer, less watery, and often have a longer shelf life. They're popular in lunchboxes, salads, and vegetable trays. Here's where things get serious. Beefsteak tomatoes. These are some of the largest tomatoes you can buy. They're thick, meaty, and packed with flavor. Because they're so large, beefsteak tomatoes are often used on burgers and sandwiches. One slice can cover an entire hamburger bun. Now let's discuss Roma tomatoes. Roma tomatoes are one of the most important cooking tomatoes in the world. They're oval-shaped and contain fewer seeds and less water than many other varieties. That means they're ideal for sauces, soups, and canning. If you're making homemade pasta sauce, Roma tomatoes are often the first choice. Speaking of sauce, let's talk about San Marzano tomatoes. Many chefs consider these the gold standard for tomato sauce. Originally grown near Naples, Italy, San Marzano tomatoes are known for their rich flavor, low acidity, and natural sweetness. They're commonly used in authentic Italian pasta sauces and pizza sauces. Now let's look at heirloom tomatoes. These tomatoes are famous for their incredible colors, shapes, and flavors. You'll find green, yellow, orange, purple, striped, and even nearly black heirloom varieties. Unlike many commercial tomatoes bred for shipping, heirloom tomatoes are often grown for taste. Many food lovers consider them the most flavorful tomatoes available. Now here's a colorful category. Yellow and orange tomatoes. These varieties are typically lower in acidity and often taste sweeter and milder than red tomatoes. They're excellent in salads and can add beautiful color to dishes. And finally, let's talk about green tomatoes. These can either be unripe red tomatoes or special varieties that stay green when mature. They're famous for fried green tomatoes and have a tangy flavor many people enjoy. So which tomato is best? For sandwiches, beefsteak tomatoes are hard to beat. For snacking, cherry and grape tomatoes are excellent. For sauces, Roma and San Marzano tomatoes usually come out on top. And for pure flavor, many people choose heirloom tomatoes. At the end of the day, every tomato has its place. And once you understand the differences, you'll never look at the produce aisle the same way again.